85% of the clothing on the planet within 1 year goes to the landfills. 100 billion pieces of clothing is sold on the planet every year, 100 billion, all right? And 85 billion pieces of clothing go into the landfills every year, and most of it is polyester. One of the most dangerous form of pollution is polyfiber is floating everywhere. It's in the air, it's in the soil, it's in the water. Some researchers have found placenta, the polyfiber is in the placenta, that in your mother's womb, you catch it. Some of them are saying, we don't know to what extent these numbers are correct, but it is right, it's in the right direction. They're saying almost every human being has about enough plastic in them to manufacture like a credit card. You have to pay. Someday, if you carry a credit card in your system, you keep paying, all right? So, this much plastic is all over the place, but everybody is trying to shoot the lowly plastic bag. I'm not saying you shouldn't shoot at it, but it's fashionable to do that, that's what is problem. Because the lowly plastic bag which is floating on the street, some beggar, some rag picker picks it up, and in India, that recycling is actually at a very good pace, not because of your sustainable consciousness, because of poverty, they're picking it out. Plastic bottles are recycled nearly 90% in India, it's the only country like that. This is not because we are very ecologically aware, simply because people are poor and they're picking out all the bottles. Anyway, one way or the other it's happening. But the polyfiber, the amount of damage it's causing, the way it enters the body, especially children are wearing polyfiber because polyfiber is very, flammable. Because of that, they are coating it with, fire-resistant chemicals. These chemicals have been found to be carcinogenic. The many problems that children are facing today, young children having thyroid problems, is largely connected with this non-flammable chemicals that they are using on the clothes. Plus autism, various things are associated with this. How many problems you're getting out of this, you do not know, but for sure, many problems are coming your way. A child till 15, 16 years of age should never wear anything polyfiber. They must wear organic clothing. Not that adults can, but at least you're more resistant to those things beyond 17, 18 years of age. But till then, it is very important you must wear organic fiber. But now the problem is, how many clothes do you have? And you can't do that with cotton or silk or something, so you end up buying poly, okay?
It's cheaper, so lot of them are going for…
See, even cotton and other things can be made cheaper if we increase the volume. So one simple thing that I'm suggesting is, you have influence in Telangana, you must push for this, I'm pushing for this in some states, that at least the school uniforms must be cotton or linen or whatever they can afford, all right? But it should not be polyfiber. You cannot recycle, only 1% is being recycled because nobody uses this polyfiber just as it is. It is always mixed in a complex mix to get various textures and whatever. So you can never recycle that complex material. If it was just pure nylon or pure polyfiber, we could have recycled it. You cannot recycle it because it's mixed with various other things, so recycling is not possible. Only 1% of the polyfiber that you're using in terms of clothing is being recycled. Rest is just going into nature. And it's coming back to us in so many different ways. A credit card in your heart